Hi guys, welcome back to another channel. Today I'm playing Rolling Sky, as you noticed. So today we're gonna play all the levels, nearly all of them. We're just gonna do the cloud one, massive, and hoop green, and I might do clown park. Let's get right into it. Okay, so now let's start with cloud. Follow what I'm doing, okay? I hope you will. So it's gonna say, hold the screen and swipe left or right. Avoid crashing or falling. Okay, so I'm just gonna be quiet because I can't be near the microphone, okay? Let's start. You have to collect the gems. It's really important. The gems are important. The checkpoint helps you, so every time when you die, it's just gonna respawn you where you were. It's like kind of like Roblox. If you play Roblox, you're lucky. Now we're in Galaxy. Oops, I died. That's advert, sorry. Oh no, I said it 2 times. If you heard it, comment down below. Another advert. I hate adverts so much. It's not going to take a lot long. Sorry for that advert. It wasted my video. Time. I had that. Sorry. I don't care about this stupid advert. I'm done if you want me to play this. I just don't want the money. Just give me the money. Okay, I guess I'm finished. Now we're Galaxy. As I said, get the gems so you can be in, because it's important. Don't touch the lasers, it's gonna kill you. And I died. Bad luck.
Do you have what it takes to become a monster legend?
Let me start again. I'm just gonna be super quiet. I'm gonna be super quiet. I'm not even gonna talk. The next one I'm gonna talk, okay? Okay? Please don't be mad. Like and subscribe this video. You're close. Finish in a few seconds and bam, I finished. Another advert. I hate adverts. So now I need to defeat this monster. I don't hate monsters. No screw. Okay, let's go. The next one is massive. Let's go. Woo! the big one. Oops. I hate this. I hate this. Okay. I'm not gonna give up. Oops, I fell for it, sorry. I'm dumb. Super dumb. So dumb, didn't Okay, I'm just not gonna waste my time. I'm just not gonna waste my time and play the basketball one. It's really easy for me. Never mind. I'm just gonna finish. If I die, I'm finished with it. I'm done with it. If I don't reach a checkpoint, I'm gonna be really mad, and I'm not gonna play it. That's close to one. Let's just try again. Okay, never mind. I'm just gonna skip it. Just gonna skip it. Let's go Hoop Dream. Woo! Sorry, because I'm loud. Comment down below if you like the music. Oh, fail. Look at those Gaza boys. I don't know if it's Gaza boys. Come down below. If you think you know, or just guess. Jump. Close 100%. And bam, 100. Guys, I found it. Just ignore the background noise, please. Sorry for that. I just do that. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, just smash the like button down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.